Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Opening shot shows a sunrise over a quiet neighborhood as a 2001 Honda Odyssey slowly pulls into frame. Soft background music plays. The 2001 Honda Odyssey arrived at a time when families were demanding more from their vehicles. Minivans were no longer just about hauling kids and groceries, they needed to be comfortable, reliable, safe, and even enjoyable to drive. Honda answered that call with the second-generation Odyssey, a vehicle that quickly earned a reputation for excellence and went on to become one of the best-selling minivans in North. Exterior. From the exterior, the 2001 Honda Odyssey features a clean, modern design that still looks sensible today. Honda moved away from the boxy minivan shape of the past and adopted smoother, more aerodynamic lines. The rounded front end, wide grille, and large headlights give the Odyssey a friendly yet confident face. The long wheelbase and tall roofline provide excellent interior space while maintaining a balanced overall look. Large side windows improve outward visibility and give passengers a bright, airy feel inside. Dual power sliding doors, a feature highly appreciated by families, make entry and exit effortless in parking lots and tight spaces. Depending on the trim, the Odyssey could be equipped with alloy wheels, roof rails, fog lights, and body-colored mirrors, all adding subtle style without sacrificing practicality. Cut to close-up exterior details and doors opening. Interior. Step inside the 2001 Odyssey, and it becomes clear why this minivan was so popular. The interior is spacious, intelligently designed, and built for real-world family use. Seating for up to 7 passengers is standard, with second-row captain's chairs that provide excellent comfort and legroom. The third-row seat is genuinely usable for adults, not just children, making this vehicle ideal for larger families or group travel. Honda's fold-flat third-row seating system allows the rear seat to disappear into the floor, instantly transforming the Odyssey into a cargo hauler. Materials throughout the cabin feel solid and durable, designed to handle years of daily use. The dashboard layout is simple and ergonomic, with clearly labeled controls and easy-to-read gauges. Thoughtful touches like multiple cup holders, storage bins, and door pockets show Honda's attention to everyday convenience. Camera pans across front seats, dashboard, and rear entertainment system. Higher trims of the 2001 Honda Odyssey offered features that were considered premium at the time. These included leather seating, power-adjustable front seats, automatic climate control, power sliding doors, and an optional rear seat DVD entertainment system that kept passengers entertained on long trips. Rear air conditioning vents ensured comfort for all rows, while excellent sound insulation made the cabin quiet and relaxing at highway speeds. Safety was also a major focus, with standard features such as anti-lock brakes, front airbags, and available side airbags, making the Odyssey one of the safer family vehicles of its era. Transition to engine bay and driving footage on highway. Performance. Under the hood, the 2001 Honda Odyssey is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing approximately 240 horsepower and 242 pound-feet of torque. This strong output gave the Odyssey a noticeable advantage over many competitors, allowing it to accelerate smoothly even when fully loaded with passengers and cargo. The engine is paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission, delivering power to the front wheels. On the road, the Odyssey feels confident and composed. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections with ease, while still providing stable handling. During cornering, steering is light and responsive, making the Odyssey surprisingly easy to maneuver for its size. Whether driving in city traffic or cruising on the highway, the Odyssey delivers a smooth and stress-free driving experience. Cut to long road trip shots and family loading cargo. Fuel efficiency is respectable for a V6 minivan, and Honda's engineering emphasizes long-term reliability. Many owners have reported these vehicles lasting well over hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. The Odyssey also excels as a road trip vehicle, offering a smooth ride, generous cargo space, and a comfortable cabin that reduces fatigue during long journeys. Closing shots at sunset, vehicle parked, doors closing. In conclusion, the 2001 Honda Odyssey stands as one of the most important minivans ever produced. It successfully blended practicality, comfort, performance, and reliability into one well-rounded package. For families, it offered peace of mind, versatility, and everyday convenience. For drivers, it delivered confident performance and a refined driving experience. Even decades later, the 2001 Odyssey remains a respected and trusted vehicle, proving that a family minivan can be both practical and genuinely enjoyable to own. Fade out with soft music and Honda engine sound.